Okay guys, so this is the final product. Share, subscribe, support your girl, Lavish World. Stay tuned. Thank you. Okay guys, this is my lavish girl in my lavish world. I'll be using her to make my Upart wig. Okay, so this is the Upart wig cap that I purchased at the beauty supply store. Okay, so I went ahead and I added 2 clips to the front, 1 to the back. So I know you guys must be wondering what are these T-pins for. I decided that I need the part to be a little bit further to the back. So I used the T-pins to secure that part so that when I'm finished making the wig, I'll be able to cut that part a little bit further. Okay, so that's that. So the products I'll be using is, of course, our Organique Master Mix. I'll be using 3 packs of these, and guys, I'm hoping that these 3 packs will do because they're pretty thin. So these are 30 inches, 1D. I'll be using my scissors. I've decided to try the glue gun method, so I'm opening this also. Yeah, that's about it. So let's get started. So I'll be making the wig, I'll be putting the tracks from the back up to the front. So as you can see, it's pretty long. The texture is nice, somewhat it's nice, but it has a plastic feel. I mean, you get what you pay for. So let's see how well this baby girl over. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. My channel is fairly new. Go and support your girl, Lavish World. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Alright. So I'll be, but it does snag, so you know you gotta use your fingers to get it apart. So guys, I won't be cutting the tracks piece by piece because with the glue gun you don't have a lot of time. You have to apply that here real quick so that it doesn't dry, because as you know, the glue gun dries real fast. So what we'll do is cut the ends and then we'll do the whole thing again. Okay guys, this is how far I am with the wig. I'm almost finished at the top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use, well guys, the 3 bundles did it. It varied it. Depends on how thick you want it here. So what I'm gonna do is just lay the rest of the straps around and around until I'm at the teeth end right here, where I want the part to go all the way back. So we take our glue gun. It's simple, easy, quick, no needle, no thread, no time consuming. It's quick. So remember to be careful with the glue gun because it's very hot. You could use this part instead of using your fingers, right? And I had to get 2 packs of these, 2 packs of 10. I mean, it takes a lot. 1 pack could do, but I would get 2 to be sure. Fiber, so it's going to snap. we're getting there. We're getting there. Okay guys, so it's finally finished, and what we're gonna do now is cut the lace, and voila, that's it. So just cut the lace all the way down. Just have to cut the lace all the way down. Yeah, the glue gun's gonna sometimes leave a little residue, but I mean, this won't be showing, so that's the least. So now that we've cut the lace, it's all finished, it's nice, flowy, it's all together, baby. So just gonna layer back here with lavish and just hook her with the pins. Guys, this air is on Mannequin. It takes heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So yes, it takes heat, but not like your human or virgin hair. So yeah, be mindful of that. I mean, it's cheap. Beauty supply hair store here. It's just a quick one of those wigs that you just run to, you know. So yeah, I like it. I think it's nice. And it's pretty long. And I like it. There you go. That's the finished product. It looks lovely. Okay guys, so this is the final product. It's looking gorgeous. I'm pleased with the result. It's looking good. So girl, you can't tell me this is some virgin hair. Yeah, it's looking lovely, guys. So I parted the middle. My hair is in the middle right here, and then I have the clip hair, 2 in the front, and adjustable straps in the back. So yeah, so the reason for me doing it as a U-part wig is that I don't like sleeping in my hair, none at all. So I'd rather take my wigs off in the night. Girl, I don't like sleeping in no hair. So I think this is convenient for me. And I mean, when you do it like this, you don't have to throw away the hair. I mean, it doesn't have to be tangled all day, and you don't have to sleep in it. You can just take it off and put it down. I mean, it lasts a little bit longer. Yes, it's not human hair, but I mean, with you not wearing it all day, the whole entire night, I mean, it will last longer. So it's good. I love it. You should try it. And for the quality hair and the money that I spent, I mean, it's nice. Like, you could get away with it. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, support your girl Lavish World. Stay tuned. Thank you. Thank you.